Hi there. If you're in love but separated by borders, you already know distance isn't just hard, it's exhausting. The good news, Canada has one of the most supportive immigration systems in the world when it comes to family reunification, and spousal sponsorship is the main way to bring your partner here for good. So, how does it work? In a nutshell, if you're a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, you can sponsor your spouse, common law partner, or even your conjugal partner to become permanent resident. That means they can live, work, and build a future with you here in Canada. There are two main ways to apply. First, inland spousal sponsorship. This is for couples already living together in Canada. Maybe your partner is here on a visitor visa, work permit, or study permit. The big advantage, they can apply for an open work permit at the same time, which means they can work while their PR application is in process. Processing times are usually around 12 months, but they get to stay with you in the meantime. Second way is called the outland sponsorship. This is for couples who the partner is living outside of Canada. It's often the faster option if your partner can't stay in Canada for long periods, but it still allows them to come visit while the application is processing. Outland is also the go-to route if you want the right to appeal a refusal. So what does IRCC look for in a spousal sponsorship application? One word: genuineness. They want you to prove that your relationship is real, not just for immigration purposes. That means photos together over time, messages, travel itineraries, wedding or engagement evidence, and even affidavits from friends and family. If you're common law, you'll also need to prove you've been living together for at least 12 consecutive months. So what can go wrong? Weak evidence is the number one reason applications are refused. Another is missing documents. IRCC will not wait around if your file is incomplete. Also, be careful with timelines. If you're newly married but have no shared history, officers will dig a little deeper. And if either of you have a criminal record, immigration violation, or other complications, the application becomes more complex. If you're serious about building your life together in Canada, the spousal sponsorship program is your fastest, most reliable route. Gather in your proof, understand your options, and get the application right the first time. If you need help, you know where to call us. Thank you, and until next time.